Okay, Dad, this is the third method. You can, firstly, you have to download this application called Ringtone Star. Oops, it's getting a bit fuzzy, sorry. Okay, Ringtone Star. Yeah, Ringtone Star application. You can download it through Instaurus. Okay. Okay, once that's downloaded and installed, it should appear on your iPhone. Now, go back into it. Okay. Go back into the application. Okay, now here's the tricky part. If you have some songs on your iPhone, this application, the Ringtone Star, will detect it straight away. So it will be in your iTunes. So these are some of the iTunes songs that I have uploaded on. Okay, we'll just take for example, it's a easy, simple program. Okay, I'll just select a song and see if we can just create one for this example. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Select a song, yes. So I've selected this Tile Cruise, Higher, this song as an example. Alright, there's this bar, so it only can, this song will do for like 40 seconds. So it's just like a leave aware from which part of the song, which section of the song that you want to convert into. Okay, so it says there up to 40 seconds. So mine just starts from the beginning to 40 seconds. Okay, and then just click on the orange button, save, and then it will create like a ringtone for you. Okay, as you can see the bar. Okay, so that's created. Yeah, this file is kept on your phone, so to get the actual file out, you need to bring up your iTunes again. Okay, go back to the screen. iTunes. Okay. Application. Bring it up, scroll down. Okay, where it says apps here. Okay, right on the bottom it will say file sharing, and go down to Ringstar. So this is actual application that converts the actual file into a ringtone format, right? So to take it out from your iTunes, from your iPhone, highlight it there, go into Ringstar first, highlight on there, and then drag it to your desktop. Okay, Dad? Okay, copy and replace. Now, the easy part is going back into your summary. As I said earlier, make sure it's manually manage music and videos. Okay, and on your left hand side under devices would be your device. Okay, and you should be able to see the ringtone tab. Okay, so I'll just take that out, but that's a file that was created and dragged it over from the iPhone to to your desktop. Now you have to drag it back into your ringtone folder. So just go to your desktop or wherever you have placed a file, drag it there, it's syncing. In this way, it's just like uploading a ringtone or music manually without syncing it, because if you sync it, it will actually correspond to your whatever is in your PC. So that way, as what I like to do with my iPhone, I just always have to check on iTunes manually manage music and videos. Okay, so then you can just drag and drop songs in your iPhone, so then you don't lose it every time you sync it. And voila, there it is. That's in your ringtones is in your iPhone. Okay. Again, that would be according to your iPhone. That would be displayed on there. Okay, that's the file. Okay, to check it on, if it has come across to your iPhone, go back into settings. Okay, sounds, ringtone, and there it is. Doing this particular way, it will be under custom, and that's the ringtones that's been uploaded through iTunes. Okay, so I've showed you like a couple of ways of how to do it, and going back, so all these other ringtones that I have, these are all manually uploaded through the iPhone browser. Okay, Dad? Yeah, so there it is, simple as that. Okay, give it a try. Let me know how you go. Bye.